everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB and Charlie, even though he doesn't want to be on camera, but he's up here on the bed with me. And I have an unboxing for you to share with you. I don't think this is a diamond painting. Let me open this one instead. This one's definitely two diamond paintings. Let's see, I feel a bubble tube. Oh, popped it. I'm always very careful that I don't cut the diamond paintings when I open these. BB's interested. Charlie said no thank you. He heard what was going on and he just disappeared. I was looking at some of my old videos and I noticed that I tend to throw things around. And I started going to physical therapy again, and that was one of the things that I addressed. She said, no, you have to, see, I just threw those scissors. You have to complete the movements and not just toss things. And I'm tossing them because I'm being lazy. So hard, things that you just automatically do and you don't find out till later why you're doing them. I hope that makes sense to people. Well, there's two diamond paintings here and I got two kits. They're both a white boat with a funnel, a long piece of pink wax, tweezers, and a pen. And the pen is a little bit different. Let me see if I can take it out and show you. Some of these packages are like puzzles to open. Where's the opening? No bags. I think some of the companies have decided they're not giving bags anymore. But here's the pen. It's a clear, sparkly pen. I'm hoping you can see that. With a 6-placer and a single placer. And I got two of them because there are two kits in this package. So there's my two kits. Let's see. I've got the canvases are rolled up together. And here are the drills. There's one. They're kind of crunched up. And here's two. Oh, these are beautiful. One is a beautiful tree. I will show that one first. I am throwing the rubber bands into the garbage so I don't have a big mess to clean up at the end off the floor. See if I can do this whole video without tossing anything. All right, here's, they're really rolled up tight. Here's the first one. Oh, doesn't want to cooperate. Here we go. And let me uncover the thumbnail. No, better yet, let me put the picture up for you so you can see what it's supposed to look like. And I saw there was a lot of detail on this one. Sorry, let me put the picture up. This is, that's the size, where is it? It's on here. 40 by 60. And if you see, there's a lot of detail on this tree, so I got it in a larger size. It's a full drill round. And I love the colors. They're very dark and warm. A lot of browns and yellows and some reds. As always, I will do the inventory, and I'm not going to bore you with me counting drills. I really find that boring. Something I do sitting in front of the TV with my husband. I am peeling up the paper so that it uncurls. Now I had one corner that did not want to let go, so I just rubbed it a few times. Don't be afraid to peel up the paper. It releases the curl. Now, I'm going to show this upside down. But the drills are not the clearest. They're okay. They'll be fine with a light pad. Some are white. I don't know if you can see this. And some are black. And it's a lot of confetti. If you don't like confetti, stay away. I look for confetti because I think it really makes the picture look better. Now, and be careful not to peel the paper all the way off. So, here's most of it. I don't know if you can see that. It's just a beautiful, beautiful tree with these gorgeous fall colors. Trying to be careful. I press right down the middle and then I push out to the sides. Very good. Now, it's still a little bit curled. I'm sorry, BB. I touched it against her and she looked at me like I had the plague. It's okay. All right, let me get this corner peeled off. Again, it's sticking, so I'm just gently rubbing it. You can peel the adhesive right up off the canvas if you're not careful. Also, they did not cut this paper, so I'm being careful. I'm really, really good at ripping the paper. If you watch my videos, you'll see me ripping the paper a lot. And I just press it back down. I would suggest you vacuum before you do stuff like this, because that's what the paper is there for. It's so the adhesive doesn't dry out, and it's so that you don't get dust and dirt and hair. So I'm gonna put this away. Here's the image. Did I say how many colors are in there? It's not a ton because they're just, you know, the same colors. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 25, 30. It's more than I thought. There's 30 colors in there, which is just going to be beautiful. Oh, there are bags. I see there's bags in with the drills. Okay, let's open the other one. Now, this was all wrapped around a foam core, which I like. And it was bubble wrapped as well, so it was pretty cool. Now, this one goes this way. I suggest to people that when you get your diamond paintings, you take the inventory, you open them up, you take a good look at the canvas and make sure there's no printing problems or deep rivers or things like that, and then assess whether it's good enough for you or if you have a problem and need to contact the manufacturer. But I always lift the paper and lay them flat. This one is a beautiful multicolored cross with a black background. And I have this one also in white with a Bible verse behind it. And I didn't like it because the Bible verse, it was too small. Why make a diamond painting if you can't read the words? So it looks like someone has taken the same image, which I think is beautiful, and taken the words out and put it on a black background instead of a white background. I'm going to put the image up for you. And this one, does it say? It's a 30 by 40 full drill round. And I think this one, you can look back at my old videos and find the white cross. I think this is going to be beautiful. And yes, it's a lot of black. Look how pretty that is. And when it's done in the drills, it's going to be just gorgeous. I love the way the color is kind of splattered across. Very pretty. Yeah, you can go back and see the white one. And the white one, I'm still going to do the white one, but I think I'm going to do it with a plain white background and take out all the words. So there's these two. They were from the same company. Very happy. I think that the I think that the canvases are good quality. There's no damage to them. They arrived in great shape. The images are beautiful. The colors are beautiful. I can't think of anything else. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. I have a lot of unboxings to do. You can see the top of my pile over there. And I finally got everything cleared off my phone. I had no memory left on my phone because of all the videos. So I got them all done and uploaded and off my phone. So now there's room for more. So let's get to work. Right, Nancy? I hope you all have a great day. And happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.